walk you through how you can use ChatGPT to send the proposal on your Upwork account. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through the step by steps, everything, how to do it. So if you know this is your first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel and also comment in the comment section if you have any question. Give me thumbs up and share this video. So I'm going to move on to my Upwork account right now to look for a proposal. As you can see, this is my Upwork account, right? Okay, I'm going to be sending a proposal to this request. So let's click on it. As you can see, like this, right? So this is the request. I will copy the request like this, Control C, and I go back to my ChatGPT account. So this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna say, write me the best cover letter, please. Upwork job. Yeah, so you put a column like this and you paste the request. You can see, and you click on enter. So just wait for it. As you can see how it's writing it step by step. I am excited to apply for the marketing manager position at a company where you provide therapeutic service and travel experience to disabled individuals and their families. As you can see, real quick, without even disturb yourself. This is fantastic. So you just copy it like this. You're gonna edit some little things, so I'll teach you how to do that. So I'll move on to my Upwork account like this. So I click on apply now, right? I click on apply now. I want to send a proposal. I click on apply now. So okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I'll just scroll down right here to the cover letter and paste the stuff. So here it says your name, so I'll write my name, Manuel, like this. They are hiring manager, so I'll just say hello. You can look for the name of the buyer, the name of the client. You can look for the name of the client and say hello, and put the name of the client, or just say hello there. So that's all, right? So that is all. So you set the price. Yes, you set the price less than 30 hours per week. Okay, this is good like this. Yes, so just send the proposal. You add your connection as you want it to to boost it faster. So that is all. As you can see, this is really simple, very simple. So this ChatGPT is really working. So if you enjoy watching this video, can you please subscribe, and if you have any question, comment in the comment section as well. So don't forget.